Alright, this is a quick video to try to repair the gasket on the washing machine because my son, since he's been getting teeth, is acting like a baby shark or alligator, and this is what he did yesterday. Yeah, which means the washing machine is now leaking. So, what I'm going to be doing is using some Sugru moldable glue. And yeah, I've heard about this stuff. I haven't gotten to use it before, so this will be a bit of a first time. See what happens. I'm hopeful. I'm going to clean and prep the surface first, and then I'm going to apply the glue and hope that the patch holds so that I don't have to buy a new seal here for the washing machine from the UK, which might take more than a week. So let's see what happens. Just getting some water first. Make sure that this is free. I know it needs to be dry as well, but we'll have to do that next. With the microfiber, it shouldn't take very long. Make sure that there's nothing else sticking in the surface. I really need this to bond. Not exactly sure what I'm going to be doing here. Guessing that surface needs to remain flat, but I'm going to try to fill in just a little bit there and then probably bulk it up a little bit on the backside. I don't know. Like I said, this is just an effort to try to prevent having to order a part from the UK. I'll use white. I could use colors that would match. And maybe I will, so that the landlord will be less unhappy about this whole thing. So here's a multicolor pack instead of an all-white pack. I'll use the gray. No idea if it will match. I could open multiple packets and blend it. Let's see here. See accompanying packaging. I have checked that the temperature resistance up to 180, it only gets to about 90 as the operating temperature here. So that should work. Alright. Well, what I've seen before is that you just kind of mash it up like Play-Doh. And then apply it. The color is actually a really good match. That's nice. Probably the least important part, but still a nice to have here. Alrighty. So, mash it into a little ball. Kind of work it, make sure that it's ready to go. Alrighty. Well, no other information than that. I guess I could have used something else to try to clean this surface. I'm going to lay in a roll about like that. I'm going to try to, I need that to go all the way up into the corner there. Yes, sir. I'm going to smash it down into place. Going to remove the excess from this side. I'm going to use the rest of the ball to do that. Oop, I shouldn't have done that. Alright, let's try again. Yeah, it looks like it'll work like that though. That's pretty promising. Alright, so little ball turns it into a little roll. Open up the crack, lay this in all the way out to the edge. Fine value, alright, so with that kind of done, what I'm going to do now is reinforce the back side. Try to make this as fail-safe as possible and just kind of reinforce that weak spot. I hope by doing so I don't make things worse, but as it is, the only real solution is getting another one, and I think it's really the bottom of that one area that's the critical problem for the leak, because some of this is right up at the top and there should be material underneath it. Alright, so if we smash that down, well, it looks, I'm gonna stop messing with it. That looks about like I would hope. You can see the piece I laid in the back. I'm gonna wash my hands and we'll see what happens in 24 hours. The next day, and we want to see how it is. It's kind of hard to see, so I've brought an extra light. We can see that
Here comes the destroyer.
it appears to have made a nice seal. I haven't even been able to see the back, but I'll take a look myself in a moment after I get this video. I don't know, I'm hopeful. Hopefully that'll be it, and hopefully this guy will not tear it up again. Please don't tear it up, dude.
I should.
Okay, that's all. Thanks, Sugru.